Very good morning, students. Today is 9th February and we are going to revise our chapter number 3, which is pair of linear equation in two variables. We have done our revision up to our exercise 3.1 and we are going to revise our new topic, which is we are going to find now the solution of the pair of linear equations. Okay, if the two linear equations are given to you, then how can you illustrate that what are the types of solutions of linear equations that they have. Okay, so by seeing or by solving, how will you find this? Let's see. We will make a table. If the two equations are, let's write it. If the two equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, where x and y are variables and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are the respective constants, coefficients of the equations. Okay, so what are the conditions? What are the conditions for the solution of linear pair of equations, solidity of pair of linear equations? These conditions are that if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. अगर a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then in this condition there will be a unique solution. और unique solution किस चीज में था बेटा? हम ग्राफ की कंडीशन से भी देखेंगे. Unique solution था when lines are intersecting lines के केस में भी आपका unique solution ही आता. ठीक है, then a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then that equation, that pair of linear equation will have a unique solution, and that will be called a consistent pair of equation. Consistent pair of equation. ठीक है, this is your condition number 1. Second condition is that if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, if a1 by e2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all three are equal, then that will be having infinitely many solutions. बहुत सारे solutions possible होंगे. Infinitely many solutions, and lines will be coincident lines. एक के ऊपर एक जो overlap करते हैं, coincident lines, and this is known as what? Consistent or inconsistent? This is also known as consistent or dependent pair of equation. Consistent, which is dependent pair of equation. Alright, bachche, this is your condition 2. Condition 3. Now what is the third condition? Third condition is that if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2, which is not equals to c1 by c2, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equals to c1 by c2, then that is having no solution. इस केस में कोई सॉल्यूशन पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. हम कोई x और y की वैल्यू नहीं निकाल सकते. And this is for the case of parallel lines. If the two lines are parallel lines, and this is known as inconsistent pair of equation. This is known as inconsistent pair of equation. So these are the three conditions which we are going to see in our pair of linear equation to check whether there is a unique solution, infinitely many solution, or there is no solution possible for the equation. Let's say if I give you one example, ये टेबल सब लोग नोटबुक में नोट कर ली होगी, आई होप दैट. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको एग्जांपल के थ्रू बताती हूँ. लेट्स से लेट्स से एग्जांपल है x/3 + y/2, x/3 + y/2 equals 3 and x minus 2y is equals to 2. These are the two pair of linear equations and you have to show that the following system of equation has a unique solution. How will you show this? कैसे show करेंगे? How will you do this बेटा? First of all you have to make this into the simplest form. ठीक है? How will we do? Taking the LCM over here which is 6. यहाँ 6 LCM लेंगे 2x बनेगा, यहाँ plus 3y बनेगा equals to 3. So the equation form will be 2x plus 3y equals 18. एक बन गई ये और ये है हमारी सेकंड इक्वेशन. अब यहाँ फर्स्ट में a1 की वैल्यू 2, b1 की वैल्यू 3 और c1 की वैल्यू है 18. ठीक है? 2, 3 and 18. It is not 18, it will be minus 18 क्योंकि यहाँ हम किस फॉर्म में लेंगे इसको? 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equals to 0. a1, b1 and c1. c1 is minus 18. For second equation, a2 is 1, b2 is minus 2 and c2 is minus 2 again. ठीक है? So these are a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now let's find a1 by a2. a1 by a2, 2 by 1 equals 2. b1 by b2, 3 by minus 2 equals minus 3 by 2. c1 by c2, minus 18 by minus 2 which will equals to 9. So you can see a1 by a2, it is not equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equals to c1 by c2. तीनों की वैल्यू अलग आई है and this is the condition for the unique solution only. ये आपका unique solution के लिए ही condition fulfill करता है which is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. Hence it is proved that the two pair of linear equation is having a system of unique solution. ठीक है? और आप unique solution find भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? You can do over that. Now let's see our NCERT. I hope this is clear to all of you. Conditions सबको clear हो गई होंगी. ये बहुत important है for your examination point of view. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let's see example from your NCERT portion, which is example number 4. Let's see our example number 4, which is you have to check graphically whether the pair of equations are consistent. If so, solve them graphically. Okay, you have to check. Now the two equations are x plus 3y. Two equations are x plus 3y. X plus 3y equals 6 and another equation is 2x minus 3y equals 12. The two equations are given to you, alright, and you have to check whether the two equations are consistent or not. Now how will you do this? You have to ultimately find a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 from these two equations. Okay, so take out, निकालो इनमें से. This is your equation 1, so write it in the form of x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0 and in this 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals 0. ठीक है? For these two equations, this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. ठीक है बच्चे? This is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. They have said that we have to check the equations as graphically. आपको क्या बताना बेटा? You have to check the equations graphically. In this, you don't have to find values a1, a2. You just have to plot the graph and check if the lines are intersecting, that will be consistent. If the lines are parallel, then it will be inconsistent. Okay? So let's see. Make the table for equation 1 like this. X and y. For x equals 0, y is equals to 2. For y equals 0, x is equals 6. 1 x is equals to 3. ये आपने 3 पॉइंट्स निकाल दिए फॉर इक्वेशन 1 एंड फॉर इक्वेशन 2 आल्सो x and y. For x equals 0, y equals minus 4. X equals 0, y equals minus 4. And for y equals 0, x is equals to 6. 2 points हो गए. Next क्या होगा बच्चे? If x is equals to 1, no, let's say if take any other point which is, let's say if x equals 3, अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 3 ले लेती हूँ, let's say if x equals 3 to just 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, then y equals to minus 2. Y equals minus 2. So these are the two tables, coordinate tables for equation 1 and equation 2. So now let's plot the graph. ग्राफ बनाते हैं. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be here 6. Now y2 0 and y1 2 3 4. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. Alright, that's it. Now let's plot the graph. For equation 1, when x is 0, y is 2. It will be here. When x is 0, y is 2. When x is 6, y is 0. It will be here. When x is 6, y is 0. And when x is 3, y is 1. When x is 3, y is 1. It will be here. So the line graph will be like this. ठीक है बच्चे. Next for equation 2, when x is 0, y is minus 4. यहाँ पर. When x is 6, y is 0 from the same point over here. And when x is 3, y is minus 2. X is 3, y is minus 2. It will be here. So let's join it again. It will be like this. So you can see that the two lines are intersecting at points 6, 0. So this implies you can write that the system of the linear equation, the system of pair of linear equation is having a unique solution which is 6, 0 when x is 6 and y is 0, and hence the system of linear equation is consistent. You can write it that the system of linear equation is consistent for x equals 6 and y equals 0. This is your example 4. ठीक है बच्चे, क्लियर हो गया सभी को बहुत अच्छे से. चलिए गुड. नाउ लेट्स सी योर नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल व्हिच इज एग्जांपल 5. एक क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर से जरूर आता है इन व्हिच यू हैव टू फाइंड सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके. Graphically find whether the following pair of equation has no solution, unique solution, or infinitely many solution. You have to find this. Now the system of equations are 5x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0, 3x minus 24 by 5y plus 3 by 5 equals 0. ठीक है बेटा, आपको ये दो इक्वेशंस गिवन है. ऑलराइट. नाउ इन दिस इक्वेशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. देखो बेटा ये सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में नहीं है तो मुझे इसे सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. I have to convert this into simplified form. So what I will do, I will multiply this equation by 5 by 3. ये डिनोमिनेटर का पोर्शन है किसी तरह हट जाए और ये सिंपल फॉर्म में आपको मिल जाए, रैशनल फॉर्म में ना हो. So 3 multiply 5 by 3 x minus 24 by 5 multiply 5 by 3 y plus 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 3 equals 0. Now 3 से 3 cancel, 5 से 5 cancel, 5 से 5, 3 से 3 cancel और 3 यहाँ 8, 24 से 8. तो आपको क्या मिल गया अल्टीमेटली 5x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0. अब ध्यान से देखो इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 को, क्या दोनों इक्वेशन सेम नहीं है? बोथ द इक्वेशंस आर सेम. इसका मतलब दोनों का जो लाइन ग्राफ बनेगा वो एक ही बनेगा, दोनों का जो लाइन ग्राफ बनेगा वो एक ही बनेगा, यानी एक के ऊपर एक पैरेलल. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दैट बोथ द लाइंस आर कोइंसिडेंट टू ईच अदर. इफ द टू पेयर ऑफ लाइंस आर कोइंसिडेंट टू ईच अदर in which it means that they are having infinitely many solutions. So for this infinitely many solutions, ठीक है, आप इसको डायरेक्ट भी पता लगा सकते हो, बट दे हैव सेड दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट ग्राफिकली. सो आप क्या करोगे बेटा, यू हैव टू मेक द टेबल ऑफ दिस एंड मेक द लाइन ग्राफ, और उसी पर आपको बताना है कि दोनों लाइंस कोइंसिडेंट है. इसका मतलब इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन इस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन के हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज योर एग्जांपल नंबर 5. ठीक है बच्चे, सबको क्लियर हो गया? बहुत अच्छे से, चलिए गुड. नाउ लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस portion, which is example 6. There is a small story given to you. Just read it out. The story states that there is a girl Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. ठीक है, एक लड़की है चंपा, वो शॉपिंग के लिए गई है पैंट्स और स्कर्ट्स परचेज करने के लिए. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered. जब उसके फ्रेंड्स ने पूछा कि वो कितने पैंट्स और स्कर्ट्स लाई, तो उसने आंसर दिया है that the number of skirts is 2 less than twice the pants purchased. ठीक है, तो first of all you have to let the number of pants be x, let the number of pants be x and number of skirts be y. ठीक है, अब ये क्या कह रहा है? They are saying she has said that the number of skirts is 2 less than number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants से 2 less than. ठीक है, यानी कि 2x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. एक इक्वेशन तो ये बन गई. फिर she has said that help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. और उससे पहले एक और इक्वेशन है, also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times number of pants purchased. Number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. So equation will be like this. So equation 2x minus y minus 2 equals 0 and 4x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Now they have said that help her friend to find out how many pants and skirts she has bought. That is, you have to find it graphically now. ठीक है, ग्राफ बनाते हैं दोनों इक्वेशंस के. तो इसका बनाते हैं सबसे पहले इक्वेशन 1 का x y. When x is 0, y equals minus 2. When y is 0, x is equals to 1. When y is 2, minus 2 minus 4, उधर जाएगा प्लस 4, x is also 2. ठीक है, अब इसकी बात करो x and y. When x is 0, y is minus 4. When y is 0, x is 1. And when y is 2, y की वैल्यू 2 नहीं, y की वैल्यू 4 ले लो. When y is 4, x is 2. ठीक है, जब y की वैल्यू 4 होगी 3 4 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 2. ठीक है बच्चे? Now